Good afternoon, tutor and classmate. My name is Juan David Salamanca. I live in Envigado City. My cell phone number is 318-399-3046. I belong to the SEAT Medellin and this is my ninth semester in the university. My email address is jdsalamanca at gmail.com. My expectations about this course are to improve my skills and learn about the use of writing as a vehicle to communicate among the academic community, following the guidelines required for a successful paper. According to the course description, what could your personal goal be while completing the course and why? Talking about writing skill, my personal goal is a three-step goal that involves constantly expand my vocabulary, master my spelling, and improve my grammar. What strategies will you perform to improve your writing during the course? For expand my vocabulary, my strategy is to read in English as many as I can and search every word unknown for me. Search in the dictionary and use it in many sentences, using different meanings of the word. For master my spelling, I'm very attentive of the reading that I made, and even the word program is useful because it can help me. For improve my grammar, it's mandatory to read and study about the theme. According to the course content, what are the two topics you like the most and why? The two topics that I like the most are literature review because it is a fundamental aspect to develop my degree thesis. I also like the second unit of the course, how to write a paragraph, because I think is the milestone of the course and of the academic writings according to my point of view. Well, classmate and tutor, this is my short video and my answer to the question. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.